Gentlemen, today is a good day. I'm going to show you the new product line of the 4YZ-4S. The 4YZ-4S is a new start product of corn harvester in our company in 2021. For this harvester, we used the most powerful technical team cooperation to make this one. For this one, the biggest change is we got the best engine in China market. It is 220 HP V-Chine engine. This engine with 6 cylinders. And for the technical, it is have a lot of technical of German Deutz company. So this engine is make this one biggest difference. It is the most powerful corn harvester in the market right now. And you can see for the bridge, we use new technical. It is hard to say. If you want to know more about this technical, I will show you. You can share me a message or email. Another things, we used a lot of different level chain and chair and belt. We use a new level, quality level parts for this harvester because we want it to be the most silers, be the best silers in the market in this year. And following, I will show you some details of this harvester. Now I'm going to show you is the peeling system. Also we call it Husker. This system, this year we have 20 rulers. It's more wider than before. That is because we have a bigger engine, so that where the harvesting speed is faster, and there will have more corn into the Husker system. So we make it wider, so that we can harvesting faster than before.